Astronomy is in crisis, and it's incredibly exciting. Sounds like the universe missed a meeting, and everything's on fire. But the crisis isn't explosions, or aliens stealing the moon. It's something much stranger and more thrilling. The universe is refusing to behave the way our best theories say it should. The math doesn't line up. The observations are getting weird. Dark matter is awkwardly silent. Dark energy is acting suspicious. And every time astronomers fix one problem, 3 new ones crawl out of the cosmic vents. This isn't failure, it's the good kind of panic. The kind that means reality is about to teach us something new, whether we are ready or not. Number 1. The universe won't sit still. You look up at the night sky and assume it's calm, stable, politely, following the rules of physics we printed in textbooks. That's adorable. In reality, the universe is behaving like a cat, knocking objects off a shelf while making eye contact with scientists. Astronomers recently noticed something deeply unsettling. The universe is expanding at different speeds, depending on how you measure it. This is called the Hubble tension, which sounds like a yoga pose, but feels more like a migraine. One method says the universe is expanding politely. Another says it's flooring the gas pedal. Both are backed by excellent data. Both can't be right. Your brain hates this. Humans crave consistency. We like laws. We like answers. But the cosmos has decided to give us a shrug and a smirk. The crisis here isn't that we are wrong. It's that we might be incompletely right, which is much worse for the ego. Psychologically, this is thrilling. Confusion is where discovery lives. Every major scientific leap started with someone saying, "That's not supposed to happen." The universe isn't broken. It's just revealing that our understanding was a rough draft. Basically, the cosmos isn't falling apart. It's stretching in new directions and daring us to keep up. Number 2. Dark matter is ghosting us. Imagine knowing something is in the room because the furniture keeps sliding around, but every time you turn on the lights, nothing's there. That's dark matter. Astronomers are almost certain it exists. Galaxies spin too fast. Clusters hold together too well. Gravity is clearly coming from something, and yet silence. For decades, scientists built detectors deep underground, hoping dark matter would politely bump into an atom and say hello. It hasn't. Not once. Dark matter has mastered the art of being present and unavailable, like a cosmic X who watches your stories but never replies. This creates a delicious crisis. Either dark matter is far weirder than we imagine, or gravity itself is doing something sneaky. Both options are terrifying and exciting. One means the universe is full of invisible stuff we don't understand. The other means we might have to rewrite gravity, which is basically physics heresy. Your brain loves closure, and astronomy is denying it aggressively. But this uncertainty is productive. It forces scientists to invent new ideas, new experiments, new ways of thinking. Confusion isn't a bug. It's the feature that keeps science alive. Basically, dark matter isn't missing. It's just standing in the corner, arms crossed, enjoying the chaos. Number 3. Telescopes see too much now. Once upon a time, astronomers complained they didn't have enough data. Those were simpler, happier lies. Now telescopes like James Webb are dumping so much information onto scientists that entire research teams are drowning in spreadsheets. James Webb didn't just sharpen our vision, it shattered expectations. Galaxies formed too early. Stars appeared too fast. Structures popped into existence before the universe should have been ready. It's like showing up to a baby's birthday party and finding it already has a mortgage. Your brain expects progress to be neat. Better tools, clearer answers. Instead, better tools created better confusion. Every crisp image introduces new contradictions. Every spectrum whispers, "You sure about that theory?" This is a classic science panic. When observations outgrow explanations, theories start sweating. Models that work beautifully suddenly look like they were held together with tape and optimism. And that's when revolutions happen. Psychologically, this is the joy of being wrong. Not embarrassing wrong, useful wrong. The kind that exposes hidden assumptions and invites better questions. Astronomy isn't collapsing, it's molting basically. The universe didn't get stranger overnight. We just upgraded our glasses and realized reality has been freelancing without our permission. Number 4. We don't know what 95% is. Somewhere between paying rent and remembering passwords, you forget a small detail. Everything you've ever seen, touched, or inhaled makes up about 5% of the universe. The rest, mystery, dark energy, dark matter, a cosmic shrug. Astronomy's crisis is that the majority of reality is made of things we can't directly observe, explain, or casually point at. Like that star over there. Dark energy in particular is doing something rude. It's accelerating the universe's expansion, and we have no idea why. Your brain hates percentages like this. Imagine discovering that 95% of your house is invisible and actively rearranging the furniture. That's how cosmologists feel. The math works, but the meaning doesn't. This forces science into a philosophical panic. Are we missing particles, entire fields, new dimensions, or is our understanding of space and time just a well-dressed guess? These questions sound abstract, but they matter. They shape how we understand existence itself. Emotionally, this is exhilarating. It means we are not at the end of discovery. We are barely out of the tutorial level. Astronomy isn't in crisis because it's failing. It's in crisis because it's staring at a universe far bigger than its current language. Basically, reality is 95% DLC content we haven't unlocked yet. Number 5. Planets are breaking the rules. Picture astronomers as very serious people with very serious equations, calmly predicting where planets should be. Now imagine the planets laughing and doing the opposite. That's modern astronomy. We keep finding exoplanets that make no sense. Giant planets hugging their stars like clingy cats. Worlds spinning sideways. Planets made of lava oceans, diamond rain, or atmospheres that are actively trying to escape. According to older models, many of these planets should not exist. And yet there they are glowing smugly in telescope data. Your brain loves order. Solar systems were supposed to look like ours, neat, flat, well-behaved. Instead, the universe handed us chaos with a warranty. Planet formation theories now read like apology letters. We thought this would happen, unless it doesn't, which it didn't. This crisis is exciting because it shatters cosmic narcissism. Our solar system isn't the template. It's one weird outcome among billions. The universe isn't designed for elegance. It's designed for possibility. Psychologically, this messiness is freeing. It reminds us that nature doesn't optimize for human expectations. It experiments wildly and keeps whatever doesn't immediately fall apart. Basically, planets are doing improv comedy, and astronomers are frantically rewriting the script. Backstage. Number 6. Time itself is acting suspicious. Imagine setting your watch by the universe and realizing the universe might be late, or early, or doing something weird behind your back. Astronomers are discovering that time, that supposedly dependable arrow marching forward, may not be as rigid as we thought. Some measurements suggest the universe's expansion history doesn't line up cleanly with our timeline models. Early galaxies look too mature for their age, like toddlers showing up with a PhD and a coffee addiction. Either our clocks are off, or the universe had a very productive childhood. Your brain prefers time to be simple: past, present, future, a neat conveyor belt. But physics keeps hinting that time might be stretchy, lumpy, or context dependent on cosmic scales. It could slow down, speed up, or behave differently depending on gravity, space, or conditions we barely understand. This is deeply uncomfortable and wildly exciting. Time isn't just a background setting. It might be an active participant in the universe's behavior. And if our understanding of time shifts, everything else comes with it: cause-effect destiny, deadlines. Psychologically, this is humbling. It reminds us that even our most basic intuitions are local customs, not universal laws. Basically, the universe may not be late. It's just operating on a calendar we haven't learned how to read yet. Number 7. Black holes are overachievers. Once upon a time, black holes were supposed to be simple. Eat matter, bend space, sit quietly in the center of galaxies, like introverted gods. Then astronomers looked closer, and black holes immediately chose violence. We're finding black holes that are way too big for how young the universe was when they formed. These things shouldn't have had enough time to grow, and yet, they did aggressively, like someone finishing a full gym transformation. Before the free trial ended, your brain expects cosmic growth to be gradual and polite. Black holes said no. They're consuming matter, merging, firing jets across galaxies, and shaping star formation like chaotic architects. Some are spinning near the speed of light, which is physics' way of saying calm down. This creates a crisis, because our models of how black holes form and evolve are suddenly inadequate. Either matter falls into them much faster than we thought, or something exotic is happening in the early universe. Both options break assumptions scientists were emotionally attached to. Psychologically, black holes are a reminder that extremes rule reality. The universe doesn't care about moderation. It explores the limits and then keeps going. Basically, black holes aren't mysterious because they're empty. They're mysterious because they're doing too much. Number 8. The universe is noisy now. For a long time, astronomy was mostly about light. Then we accidentally discovered the universe also vibrates. Gravitational waves, ripples in space. Time itself turned the cosmos into a very dramatic bass speaker. Now astronomers can hear black holes colliding, neutron stars merging, and space-time wobbling like jelly in a washing machine. This is incredible. It's also inconvenient, because every new signal raises questions our equations weren't emotionally prepared for. Some gravitational wave events don't fit neatly into predicted categories. Objects are heavier than expected. Mergers happen in strange environments. The universe keeps sending messages labeled urgent, with no instructions attached. Your brain loves new senses until they complicate things. Hearing the universe means confronting how incomplete our previous understanding was. Light gave us a flat picture. Gravity adds depth, motion, and chaos. Psychologically, this is the joy of expanding perception. Every time humanity adds a new way to observe reality, old certainties crumble. It's disorienting, and that's how progress feels from the inside. Basically, the universe isn't suddenly louder. We just finally took our fingers out of our ears and realized reality has been screaming the whole time. Number 9. Life might be common or not. For decades, the big question was simple. Are we alone? Astronomy confidently marched toward probably not. Billions of galaxies, trillions of planets. Surely life is everywhere, right? Then the data got better, and the confidence got shakier. We are finding potentially habitable planets constantly. Water, check. Atmospheres may be right. Distance from their stars looks good. And yet silence. No clear signals. No cosmic postcards. Just a quiet universe, politely refusing to explain itself. This is called the Great Silence, and it's unsettling in a fun way. Either life is incredibly rare, absurdly fragile, or very good at not answering emails. Each option messes with our assumptions. If life is common, where is everyone? If it's rare, how lucky are we? If civilizations self-destruct, well, let's not make eye contact with that idea. Your brain wants a comforting answer. Astronomy offers suspense instead. This crisis forces scientists to rethink biology, intelligence, technology, and time itself. Maybe civilizations blink in and out too quickly. Maybe intelligence isn't loud. Maybe we are early. Basically, the universe might be full of life, or we might be the weird kid who showed up early to the party and doesn't know it yet. Number 10. Crisis means discovery is imminent. Here's the part everyone forgets. Science only calls something a crisis when progress is accelerating. when data breaks theories, when questions multiply faster than answers. Calm science is boring science crisis. Science changes the world. Astronomy right now is overflowing with contradictions. Expansion rates don't agree. Invisible matter won't cooperate. Time behaves suspiciously. Telescopes see too much. Black holes won't calm down. And instead of panicking, scientists are smiling nervously and building better questions. Your brain associates crisis with failure. In science, crisis means transition. It's the sound of old ideas cracking under pressure. Every major leap, relativity, quantum mechanics, heliocentrism, began with confusion and mild academic screaming. Psychologically, this is exhilarating because it means we are not done. We didn't figure out the universe and hit the credits. We are mid-plot twist. The rules are about to change, and we get to watch it happen in real time. So no, astronomy isn't collapsing. It's shedding outdated skin. And what comes next will probably be stranger, bigger, and more beautiful than anything we are currently brave enough to imagine. Basically, the universe isn't broken. It's just warming up. That's all for today. I will be making similar videos in the future. Please subscribe to see them.